The Red Sea, a key maritime route connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Indian Ocean, has witnessed rising geopolitical tensions in recent times. Factors such as territorial disputes, political instability, and military activities have heightened concerns about the safety and security of shipping vessels navigating these waters. Companies involved in marine shipping now face increased risks and challenges that could have far-reaching consequences. Approximately 10% of the world's shipping traffic passes through the Red Sea, underscoring its strategic importance in global trade. The uncertainties in the Red Sea region have the potential to significantly impact the cost of shipping. Heightened security measures, rerouting of vessels to avoid conflict zones, and increased insurance premiums are just a few factors that could contribute to rising operational expenses for shipping companies. As a result, these increased costs may be passed on to consumers, potentially leading to higher prices for goods and impacting global trade dynamics. The maritime industry relies heavily on insurance to mitigate risks associated with vessel operations. The escalation of tensions in the Red Sea can prompt insurers to re-evaluate the risk profile of shipping routes passing through the region. This reassessment may result in higher insurance premiums for companies involved in marine shipping. As insurance costs soar, companies may find it challenging to maintain profit margins, further contributing to the overall increase in shipping expenses. The interconnected nature of global supply chains means that disruptions in one region can have a domino effect on the entire system. If tensions in the Red Sea persist and lead to increased shipping costs and insurance premiums, businesses may face delays, shortages, and higher transportation expenses. This could potentially lead to another wave of supply chain issues, impacting various industries that rely on timely and cost-effective transportation of goods. Thank you so much for watching. I genuinely love hearing your thoughts and insights, so don't hesitate to leave a comment below.